Rosie, I'm in Tokyo, and my first stop, literally, before I even went to get breakfast, was Bic Camera here in Shibuya, and I picked up some 35mm film because I brought my Pen FT with me, and the pickings were slim, but I scored a Velvia 50 and then an RPX 25. So I'm gonna load the 25 first and get some shots. Oh, it's about to go down. Look at that. Okay, well that wasn't a cheap stop. I ended up getting a Horseman back for my 4x5 that was in perfect shape. I struck out on lenses, but I bought a ton of film. I swear to God, Japan's gonna bankrupt me. I'm gonna buy film, so much film. They had Velvia 50 and 120, and they let me buy 2 5 film boxes. So yeah. My third store, this is the Lemon pop-up in Shibuya, and I mean, it's about eBay prices, but some cool stuff here. Really nice sized junk section. At least 167 and some accessories and lenses, although they don't have the fisheye that I was looking for. A couple of rollies. No, a Hasselblad lens, some 6x7 and 8x10 large format lenses, decent selection of color film, as well as black and white. No Velvia 50 or 100 right now though, absolutely not. So a couple GR2s that are less than B&H prices. To exercise this film a little bit and see how it is, I went over to the shrine for the Emperor Mige, and I walked through the gardens and the shrine itself, and now I'm going to go to the museum. Even though it's winter, it's January, and it is currently colder than the heart of an ancient whore. It is a nice way to show off black and white film. So let's see what we do. Well, this was the last shop for the day, but they're unexpectedly closed. So, all right, wrapping up my my camera shop tour in Tokyo. So I had to stop in at Monocle just because I'm already in Tokyo and needed to stop by. It's my favorite print magazine in the world. So they have shops in London and Tokyo and Zurich. So it's nice to stop in and pick up a little something. Not a bad haul for a trip to Tokyo. I mean, not quite the film mecca that I was hoping for, that I experienced pre-pandemic, but pretty good. I ended up actually getting 5 boxes of the Velvia 50 and 35. I shot one. I got 4 boxes of Velvia 100 in 35 millimeter. I got a couple of boxes of purple, just because I'm forever the optimist and was hoping for a big spring bloom while I was here. Didn't happen. Oh yes, I got 4 boxes of Velvia 50 in 120. Oh, I can't wait to shoot that. I can't. I'm gonna bug all my friends and family for portrait shots on that bad boy. And then I got this this Earl Grey in black and white. I've never shot that before, and so I'm interested in seeing how that does compared to like a Dracula. So yeah, not a bad haul for my trip. I did end up shooting the roll of 25 speed black and white, and then like I said, 1 roll of 50. So we'll see how those turn out. This, by the way, that's magic. I actually got a Horseman 6x12 back for my 4x5 large format. I'm packing up, so I'm going to leave it in the bubble, but I'll show it in a future video. That was not cheap. It was a little bit less than eBay prices, but it's in perfect condition. I got a Kitamura camera, so there we go. Look at those expiration dates for the 100, for the 50. All the dates are the same, and this is for the 120. Yeah, baby.